Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the sprint mode in Avowed. So all you have to do is access the settings. So if you're in the game, all you have to do is simply pause the game and then scroll down and select settings. And then within the settings, use the RB or the LB button and go to the game section if you're on console. If you're on PC, simply click on the game section and then scroll down and find the sprint mode option. Now there are two options. There is sprint mode and there is press and hold, and then there is toggle. Now as you can see on the right side, it tells you the brief description of what each option is all about. So toggle, you just press once to start sprinting and press again to stop. And then if you select press and hold, you have to start and remain sprinting while the button is held. So choose the option you prefer. So let's say for instance, if you like the toggle option, all you have to do is select it and then simply apply the changes by pressing the designated button on your controller or on your keyboard. Once done, you can simply exit the changes, or you can simply exit the settings and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it on how to change the sprint mode in Avowed. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.